So getting data that's embedded inside of your SharePoint list can be a challenge. And today we're going to go over a way to do that using SharePoint get items and the filter query. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right to it. So let's go ahead and just start with an easy one here. We're going to just say here we want to search for meeting, and we want to search for that in the title field. So do you see what I've done here? I've created a get items. I've identified the address and the list, and now I'm searching. I'm looking. I'm saying, give me a substring of that. So team meeting, monthly meeting, but I want to just capture meeting. And which column is it in? It's in the title column. So I want to do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and just search for that and see what we get. So we want to just run the test. It should come back positive. Sometimes you don't know, but hopefully it will. Let's go ahead and do this. And it looks like it ran successfully. Create a HTML table. Notice here we have two: team meeting, monthly meeting, which is what we wanted. The third one didn't have meeting in it, it had visit, and go, no go. Okay, so far so good, right? Now here's the anomaly. So let's go ahead and take out. So we saw there in the HTML we had go and no go. So we're going to say go, and we're going to say we want it from the field status. Now we know that that field's there because we just saw an HTML report on that field. And now we want to adjust this filter to just look for things that say go. So let's go ahead and run the test one more time. And let's see how it finds it. So let's go ahead and hit go. Done. And now let's see if it found it. And it did. So now you can see that the data works. It doesn't matter whether or not the column is the first column or the third column. Now these column types, just so you know here, this one happens to be the title, which is a text column, and this guy here happens to be a single text column as well. So that's kind of how you do a simple, this is a very simple search on a query, a substring query, built right into the get items for your SharePoint. And then you can of course dump this into, you can dump it right into an email message from here with this HTML information.